favorite part of the whole home.
Hi everybody, I'm Will Koberg with the Jan Ritchie team of Keller Williams Realty, and I'm in front of our listing at 7013 Redstone Lane in Plano, Texas. Join me as we take a tour of this marvelous home. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home offers over 3,500 square feet of living space. This home sits on a quiet cul-de-sac in the popular Kings Ridge community. As you enter the home, you'll notice the bright, updated paint color throughout. As you continue on into the home, you have this large family room, which features a cast stone fireplace from the floor to the ceiling and lots of space for a TV and family to hang out and enjoy. Thank you again for joining us today here on this home tour of 7013 Redstone in Kings Ridge. If you want more information on open houses for this property or more details on any of our listings, you can check them all out at janritchie.com.